welcome to my channel Utsav & Kala, and this is your crafty host Priyanka. So today, since last time we learned how to make this square with yarn, I decided I'm going to show you how to join two of them together so that you can make all kinds of different projects. If you want to just keep it a single pot holder or a single, I think you can use this as a pot holder, or you can use it to do dishes, like a dish scrubby or something like that. You can do that, or you can put like a pot on top of it and use it as a decoration and stuff like that. And this can also work with hot pots, so you're definitely going to be able to do that. But I decided, let me show you how to join these two together, and I know there are tons of tutorials out there, so you can learn different ways. I do the basic work on it. I don't do really anything fancy because I like to keep it really simple. So I'm going to show you today how to join these two together. And also, if you guys haven't seen my video for the introduction of the crochet along for this teddy bear, I will have in the description for you guys to check out. Please do check out. The introduction video only has what materials you will require and how many videos I'm going to do with you guys to do crochet along with me, and all the materials and everything will be in the in that video. So please do check that video out. I hope you join me for the crochet along. I know it's a whole lot of yarn projects this year, but don't worry, it's still January and we have another 11 months to go, and I will definitely post a whole bunch of different crafts that come along my way. So don't worry, I'm ready to test all new types of crafts. So if you find out any craft that I don't know about, or even though I know and I haven't done it, leave me in the comments below and I'll definitely try it out, because I love trying new crafts. So definitely let me know. But I'm going to do a crochet along for this little teddy bear here for Valentine's Day, so please do check that out. Check the introduction video and see when I'm going to do all the crochet along videos. So without further ado, let's get to the table and let's start to learn how to join these. Before we go, I have this I've already joined together, and I'm making a carpet for my son, so it's going to be 10 squares by 10 squares, so it's going to be 10 by 10, and I have joined like 5 here, and I'm going to keep on working on it, but I'm just going to start fresh with these two separately. Also, what I've learned is that, like, if you can see, I've already joined like these and the ends are not sewed in, so it makes the work a little bit harder to do when the ends are not sewed in. So first, always sew in your ends on all the squares that you need, and then join them all together. That will make your job really easy, because now sewing these all in is going to take me a whole lot of time, and I'm going to get lazy, and it's going to be a whole new story. But I will just show you how to join, and then once I'm done with my project, I'll do a separate video showing you how my carpet actually looks. So now, without further ado, let's get to the table and let's start joining these squares together. Alright guys, so what I forgot to mention earlier on is I'm using this Boy Ergonomic J 5.75 yarn, and it's right here. And they have changed from I think they don't carry a 6 and a 5.5 hook no more, and they have come in between for 5.75 as their J hook. But that's only for boys, so I'm using that. You can use any hook that is 5.5 recommended on Super Saver, Red Heart Super Saver, and I'm just using a scrap yarn, black color yarn, because I think I have used black but not that much, so I'm just using black to keep it all even for my stitching together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 squares, and there's no right side or wrong side, both of them are the same. So I'm just going to place them both together. Then first make a slip knot right here, and then I'm going to start working from right hand side to left hand side, since I'm righty, and I'm going to insert the hook in the first loop right here in the corner, and make sure I go through both the loops, And you don't have to worry about the number, like the loops, because the number of chains you will have will be equal since you made the square on the loom. So you'll just take it, place the slip knot once you have inserted the hook. You'll place the slip knot onto the hook and pull it through both the loops. Then you'll yarn over and make like a slip stitch or a chain, and then you'll go again in the same loop and do a single crochet. And then you'll go again in the second loop, and you can separate them out and do one by one to make sure that if you want to make sure that you're going through the same second loop and not the second and the third, or you're not mismating it, just go and then make another, like do another single crochet, and then just keep on doing single crochet all the way down. So let me show you one more time. Insert it through the third loop. I hope this is catching on the camera because I can't see in my camera right now. And then single crochet. So basically you just have to single crochet all the way down. So press here, pass it through the second one, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So single crochet is really easy. Just insert the hook through the stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then pull through both the loops. And there are a ton of videos online for single crochet. It's one of the basic stitches for crochet. So definitely, if you haven't tried crochet before, or you don't know how to do single crochet, just go ahead and watch a couple of videos and you will definitely get a hang of it. So just pull through and then pull through. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the whole row and then come back and show you how it looks like. Alright guys, so here is my single crochet rim for this too, and if I just open it, it is right here, all the stitching. And I'm going to keep this side facing up, but it looks pretty on both the sides. Like if I keep it this way, it's good too, but there is a ridge right here, so I would rather just keep it this side just so that it's flat. So that is the joining of the two squares. I completely forgot the word about it. Oh my god. Okay, so then once you are at the end, and make sure that you take the corners on both the sides, you don't leave them because that wouldn't make it look very neat. So just make sure that you always make a single crochet in each corner on both the sides. Cut a little bit of tail, not much, and then just pull the yarn through this loop and pull it taut to just bind it off. And then with the tapestry needle, just sew in the loose ends on both the sides in just inside right here so that it cannot be seen. And that's about it guys. You just keep joining on the other side, and to make sure that the single crochet is not one time this side and one time the other side, all you need to do is keep this way, this side up, and then put a new square underneath, and then start single crocheting here, so it'll always be the right side. So that's about it guys for this short tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video and if you liked the video, and also share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun and crafty DIY tutorials, and also don't forget to watch that crochet along introduction video if you guys want to do the crochet along for the teddy bear with me, and I will have the link in the description for you guys to check out. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for me to try out new crafts, let me know in the comment section. I'm really open to trying out new crafts and testing it for you guys before you guys want to jump into it. Let me know in the comments. I will definitely do that for you guys. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.